viewers, and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are going to be trying a Born Pretty nail polish set. Now, this is the Fireflies Forest set. Okay, y'all try to say that 10 times because that was crazy. Any hoosers, if you are new to the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we talk about nail art, we talk about nail designs, we talk about nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before we dive in, I'm so excited to hear about what you guys did for the holidays. I know we had Christmas, we had New Year's. Me, myself, I was comfy in bed way before the fireworks were popping off at midnight because I was getting woken up. And let me tell you, they were popping off. It sounded like they were popping off right outside my window. I swear. It's like I would be sleeping, I'd wake up, and there would be like a pop, 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 wonderful holiday. And I'm hoping you guys did too. I'm so curious to hear about some of the goals, some of the intentions that you guys have set for this brand new year. I already let you guys know I've been cooking up quite a few different things that I'm going to present here on the channel. So if you are excited, yes, my memberships are $2.99 and I am going to absolutely post some content. I'm thinking that my first video might be like long nails versus Lego and building a really cute Lego set that I received for the holidays. So if that sounds like something you guys are interested in, I would love to see you on the membership channel. I will leave my Instagram as well as my TikTok here so you guys can also follow me there for more exclusive content. But without further ado, let's just dive into these beautiful polishes. I'm so excited to be here in front of the camera with all of you. And without further ado, let's dive in. Who is excited to start off this new year? This will officially be my very first video for this 2026. I am so excited that we are stepping right in with this wonderful, beautiful, Born Pretty collection. I already mentioned green is definitely one of my favorite colors, but here we have number one. And I love these assortments because you get a handful of different types of polish. Here you can see that we have this nice, very transparent green that has like a hint of pink for those little sparkles. So I can see why they named it the Fireflies Forest. I'm pumped for 2026. I know you guys heard me say it at the beginning of this video. I really am trying to come up with some new ideas for the channel. I'm really excited to post my very first membership channel. So I really, really hope to see you guys there because, like we'll keep it nail based. We'll be doing the nails on the main channel. But for that little extra, go ahead and join the memberships. You guys, it feels so weird for me to ask you guys to like join the membership channels like $2.99. But for anyone who wants to just create, watch the content that I post here on the main channel, that is totally fine too. I'm just happy that I have your support. Of course, there will be some content that you won't normally see here on the main channel. So, you know, whatever floats your boat, I will definitely be there waiting for you. Like I was mentioning before, I absolutely love all the different types of polish you get with the Born Pretty collection. With this one here, we have like a almost like a jelly, like a pastel jelly for number two. And with this second coat, I feel like this would be absolutely perfect for Easter. I love the way that this one turned out. Miss Rochelle, I feel like you would love this one in the spring. And moving on to number three. I have some reservations when it comes to big, flaky glitter. Like I love me my glitter pop with the small, like number one. Number one was definitely giving the type of glitter or sparkle that I would normally use for myself or a client. You can see as I'm using number three, you have to be specific on where you are wanting those little pieces of glam to end up on the nail. I don't know, like the little speckles of sparkle. Like, I feel like if I would have put number two down as a base and then number three on top, I feel like it would look a little bit better. And maybe it's just me not really loving the sparse type of look since it is like a clear jelly. But once I added that second coat and filled out the spots, I could see it. I could see it. Barely, but I can see it. Moving right along to number four, I feel like the top of the color doesn't necessarily reflect the polish that's inside. I am getting more of like a dark green emerald, which, if you guys don't know, is my birthstone color. And I feel like this color would have been so perfect for Christmas. But I know if you guys have seen some of those shorts, my Christmas nail sets were a little bit different, less traditional. But if I were to do a traditional set, number four would be absolutely perfect. You can see how shiny those glitter spots are, especially when I'm like angling it in the light. You guys know I already love putting on that second coat because with that second coat of polish, it is absolutely stunning. This I will absolutely have to use for a birthday set because May is just around the corner, and you guys know how crazy I am. I am changing my sets weekly in between my clients, in between work. I might keep this current set that I have on for at least a couple weeks because your girl literally has no time to herself. I had three clients. I had Elizabeth on Sunday night, and then I had Miss Rochelle yesterday morning, which is a Monday morning, and then I had our girl Tiana who came and did a full soak off with a gel mani and pedi, and her nails are absolutely beautiful. So it has been a very busy week. I am happy that the holiday rush is over. I mean, if you guys have worked retail during holiday, you already know that the people are crazy, the lines are crazy, but we made it through another holiday season. I don't know how, but we did it. And I'm so happy that you know, we can wrap it up. We can wrap it up. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up like we wrapped it up with number five. Number five is cute. Have you guys ever seen that animated show? I want to say it's called Gumby. I'll put a picture up, but this is totally Gumby. I feel like that's Gumby. So cute. I will also leave down in the comments where I purchase this polish. I mean, really, I purchase all my polishes either through the brand website, if it's not like a PR package that's been sent to me. But I'll make sure to leave in the description where you guys can find this polish. Now, this is not a sponsored ad. The next video that you guys will be getting will be a sponsored ad by Born Pretty, so definitely keep an ear and eye out. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't ever miss a video because I know my posting schedule has been so sporadic, but we are entering this new year with specific goals, happy intentions, and our regularly scheduled program. But I will absolutely leave it down below. Number six is beautiful. It's almost like a lighter version of number four. I could also see this pairing very well for my May babies or for Easter. I feel like this would be a beautiful accent color, but I just want to make sure you guys know where you will be able to find all of the things that I have been using in this video. Once we are done curing them, we want to cure all of these for about 60 seconds. Look at how beautiful this turned out. So we are diving right into our Born Pretty super top coat because we want to make sure that everything is nice and sealed so that when my clients are sitting here in my chair, they will be able to see all of the lovely options that they have. If you guys could see my key ring, maybe I'll flash it on the next video, how many different nail polishes we have and how many more polishes I still need to swatch is too many. It's too many to keep count, but we are going through making sure that everything looks nice, beautiful, and even. And I want to hear from y'all. What are you guys going to be planning to do this year? Do you guys have any fun trips? Do you have any goals at work that you're hoping to accomplish? Is there a new hobby that you're looking to start? I am so curious and I am just looking for all the ways to be able to connect with my community, connect with all of you guys, because if it wasn't for you, I definitely would not be here showcasing, having all the fun here on this channel. So please let me know. I'm curious. Are we just looking to, be happier? Are you doing too much and you need to sit down and look for more rest like me? Yes, that is definitely going to be on the top of the list. Of things that I need to prioritize because you guys already know I am always running around, but we've got them all nice and neat on our key ring. And look at these stunning colors all next to each other. Which one is your favorite? I'm so curious. I want to know. What did you guys think of all of these stunning colors? I would have to say I love all of them because green is one of my favorite colors. I would say like green, teal, get little hints of purple in there. But I would have to say that number 4 is definitely speaking to me in very interesting way. Would I wear that on a current set for maybe spring? Yes, maybe. But let me know down in the comments which color is your favorite. And let me also know down in the comments, what do you guys think about my new scepter? I actually got gifted this by one of my coworkers, Quill. Thank you so much. This has a very special place in my heart. If you guys don't know, Sailor Moon is one of my favorite animes, and I have always wanted to be a Sailor Scout myself. And with this scepter, I would have to say I am officially a Sailor Scout. This was 3D printed and super glued all together. And one of my favorite sailors is Pluto. And I absolutely love it. I think it's so bomb. And it's just like, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. I'm so excited. I love this so much. Thank you, Quill. I really do appreciate it. If you guys are not already, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and share the content to somebody who might be interested in nails. And with that, I will catch you for another video soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my memberships channel, $2.99, and you will see some content there soon. I'm literally so excited for this new year. I have so many things planned, and I'm so pumped that you guys will be here along my side. And that will do it, and I will catch you for another one. Bye. Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings.